Greedy.
One each of those.
So it was a very profitable mine for the Duke of Devonshire. It was then at about 1,300 feet. It was the deepest mine in Britain at that time. It's since been well superseded. So that's Ecton. What can you see?
Tightens up a little bit so it doesn't fall off.
What can you see?
I don't know.
Very thin ones
Yeah.
and some mediums.
Right, yeah. And if you had you'd have to go up close, but you could say that the thickest one is perhaps a metre, roughly. Any idea what's happening here? Anticline, yeah. Anticline, yeah, you've got a syncline there, and a very tight anticline there. Can you see a continuous thing, or is it it's broken? Yeah, well done. Yeah, it looks as if it's actually broken. You've probably got a fault up there, and that's why it's just vegetation and not rock. Engineers don't like faults much. You get to a fault, you've got to put timbering or steel in to keep the stuff from falling in, because the side will fall in, the roof will fall in, the floor will come up. It's bad news.
What do you notice about the beds here? Okay, they're dipping, they're curved, and actually this is actually A2 standard work that you're looking at here. So we've actually moving on a little bit. We'll go back to the other outcrop because that's definitely AS, and we can look at all the different aspects of folding there beautifully, and you can start to bring in that knowledge of folded rock that we've done in the classroom. Where are the oldest beds here? The youngest bed. Yeah. It's all grassed over, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's sometimes an indication of the rocks being weaker and more broken. So what could it be there? It could possibly be a fault as well. Okay. Okay, well done. The dip is different.
Unconformity.
It could possibly be an unconformity, yes. Will you tell me, Emily, what could you mark on your sketch?
Bedding planes.
Okay, so you can mark on the bedding planes. Are they gently dipping or steeply inclined?
Steeply inclined.
Okay, so steeply inclined beds.
See things in 3D,
Top.
so you'll be able to see beds.
Forward as so they've got 1, 2, 2.
What is
Okay,
it?
so have you got
That
there?
I think so.
Up the top. So we need to get a compass out in a minute. Somebody's got a compass?